Really quick, just want to throw in that Valentine's Day is coming up, and if you're looking for a gift for that special someone, we are offering a coupon code for 10% off all of our gift certificates. I'm going to link that below so you can check it out, and I'm also going to have the promo code on the screen and down below for you. 10% off all gift certificates is a great gift, and you can check it out and see which one fits you best.
Welcome back to Ballroom Feed. This is Technique Tuesday, and today we're going to talk about some East Coast swing technique in the basic. All right, so this is going to be the quick version of this technique video. How I'm going to break this up is into, we have triple steps and we have rock steps. All right, so the first ingredient here is learning how to do a triple step. So I go side together side, and then I go side together side. Right, so we're going to do a few basic elements with this triple step. I can do it in either direction first, because when you do triple steps, you do them to the right and you do them to the left, no matter if you're the leader or the follower, right? So all this technique applies in both directions. And I'll kind of keep going back and forth between left and right so you can see which foot I would start with and how I approach it here, right? So I start in neutral position, meaning I bend my free foot, my free knee, so that my heel's off the floor here, my standing leg is straight. I go side of my right foot with just the ball of my foot, right? So I don't put the heel down right away, I leave my heel up. Then I can close my feet, ball flat, and I'll take one more step, ball flat, and then I get to go straight my standing leg. What you're seeing here now is I don't necessarily collect this foot underneath myself if I want to go and redirect to the other side, right? So if I were to keep doing triple step back and forth, I would go side together, side. I would leave my foot here in the middle, side together, side, and I could keep doing this over and over again if I wanted to keep doing triples, right? However, you know that we have to add a rock step into this. So here, when I want to do the rock step, I do have to collect all the way back to neutral position again, then go rock back with my right foot, replace, come back through neutral, and I can start the process over again of doing the triple step one direction, triple step in the other direction, collecting, and then going rock, step. If I do it from the other perspective, my left foot first. I bend my left knee now first here, and I go side with the ball of my foot, close my feet together, ball flat, and then side again, ball flat, straightening my left leg and bending my right knee. I'm not going to collect because I want to go back in the opposite direction now. Side, ball flat here, ball flat, and now I'll collect up. Now I want to do a rock step. I'm going to pull my foot in underneath myself to neutral position. Now I get to go rock step back with my left foot, replace back to my right foot, collect back through neutral, and then start the next basic again. So this is a little bit of foot directions and a little bit of leg action, a little bit of footwork, kind of like an introduction to a few of these different elements. We have a much more in-depth technique video of this whole basic, so you can go to ballroomfeed.com. You can check out our pro section of the site. We have this times 10 basically, where we go in detail through every single element that we talk about in this basic. So definitely check it out, like this video, and hopefully check us out for more next time.